And a lot of clients don't want chat or email support. They do want to speak with people.
True.
And so that's why I believe there will always be a market for us. I know we compete with AI, but the one thing AI will never master, and if they do, it's going to seem facetious. AI will never have true, sincere empathy. They may have every answer, more than a doctor or a scientist. They have 1,000 answers for you, but they can't give you a hug. And even if it is a machine giving you a hug, it's not the same as Peter. And if someone says, I'm sorry, body, you know it's because it's programmed compared to your best friend that's calling you and telling you this. And so there are people out there that want that human touch in that relationship with companies. And as much as technology is getting better, well, that's great. Maybe it could save me time looking up your info. But in order for us to put the ball into the goal, we might need to hold hands and walk together on this, because it's the final thumbs up and the okays and final questions. And that's what I'm trying to preserve for customer support and call centers. And you were mentioning things changing. I would prefer to have that sort of concierge first class relationship that people do have with their clients, which are very valuable, and they should treat them in a certain way because they should be very thankful that they decide to give them the business.